Today, we're going to be looking at how to make some distorted Bleep Bloop Riddims. I got the idea and inspiration to do this is from a guy named Blvnkspvce, if I'm correct. He's got a lot of distorted Bleep Bloop Riddims going on. If I play it for you, let's go to his other one real quick. Now, I may have not gotten exactly his sound, but I feel I've gotten close to it and close to, the understanding of what's going on. We got our kick, 4 to the floor. We got a kick on every other beat. And then we have some hi-hats. I have it just a little off. I kind of did like a none and just put it on a little off just to have like a little. And then I have the one on the top. Now, that's just preference. It just adds a nice little swing to it. A dry clap, something kind of like what he maybe uses, unless you're trying to do whatever you want. A snare can work too, but I just went for whatever he used. It was pretty much just a dry clap, really tonal dry clap. Yes, I have been trying to make beep boops, and this kind of worked the best for me. I put it so the grid is on a 1/4 actually. When we look at it, it's on 1/4, so that's quarter notes if I'm correct. Put the starting off one step, so it kind of goes. And if it was not off one step, it would sound like this. I don't know. Obviously, it sounds shittier. Have that swag to it, Obviously, I have this underneath too. The side chain. But let's go into the sound design. The sound design isn't really much, to be honest. This wavetable that I am using is actually in the free serum pack that I give away, and we're using the bass table 3. The LFO is attached to the level, and it is controlling the sound. Not much going on here. I kind of have the wavetable on 192. If you have it down here, it's not going to really do much. Nice waveforms that are like curved will work the best, that I think. So, and that's pretty much it, other than I have the sound on a 1/4, BPMs on. The trig is not, I think the trig gave it a weird result. Sometimes it gives it a weird result. EQ on, and then I actually have a comb filter after, and then I'm EQing in my chain, obviously. But I have the comb filter at 133, and throughout the song I kind of move it. Sound right here, which is pretty much, if I'm correct, it's the same thing. So let's go into it real quick. Yeah, same thing. LFO onto level. See, LFO onto level. I moved it to like 213 this time in the wave position. Just changed it a little bit. No, I didn't change the combs up. I changed EQ just a little bit. I'm doing very slight things for this one just to get different beat boops. Oh, that's actually a good one. Let's do this one real quick. So for this sound, what we're doing here, same thing. LFO into level. I just moved it to 256. I changed the combs to 113. So, what I'm saying, just a little variety throughout, maybe. So what I am doing in the sound is I am adding a Vocodex. Nothing too much, just pretty much default. Then I have this flanger on. That's the ultra chorus. That's the setting called ultra wide chorus. Wave shaper, just pushing it a little bit. Yeah, pretty simple sound actually. So actually, this layer right here is from the sub overdrive. I took Blood Overdrive, and I took this EQ off, right? And then I pretty much just went like this. Let me copy this real quick so I don't lose this. I went like this. But this is what it sounds like in the Edison. Obviously done way better, but definitely go check out my haul video to get this technique down. For my sub real quick, and when I'm doing my sub, this really fat sub, all you're gonna have to do is, you know, make sure you EQ, cut your high end out 150, keep it at -6 on the mixing. I push everything in my mixes, that's just what I've been taught. The sound good eyes are on, that just pushes it a lot. I have the blood overdrive here at like something like this. What paste? That was like 1%. Yeah, it's 1%, literally 1%, and it pushes it just a little bit, but it does a lot. The blood overdrive does a lot with the 100x on. Put a clipper on the bottom just to kind of let it hit the ceiling, let it hit a ceiling, so it's always consistent in the mix. And yeah, other than that, guys, I hope I helped you. I hope this tutorial was useful. Don't give up. Music is fun. My next video is going to be about why you shouldn't quit at all, or reasons why you shouldn't quit making dubstep. But other than that, keep it up, guys. Don't give up on your dreams. We're all going to make it someday. And I hope you learn from this. Cheers.